Hello friends, what's going on guys? In today's video I will talk about the affiliate marketing business. If you are a complete beginner, you don't know anything, so I will tell you what exactly the affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is nothing but selling some other's product, promoting and selling some other's product and earn some commission is called affiliate marketing. The vendor on that case give you a unique link. You have to promote that particular link, and if somebody purchase from that particular link, and you will earn some commission. This is called affiliate marketing in a nutshell. So there are various methods to start affiliate marketing. Like you can start with Facebook groups, you can start with Instagram, you can start with Pinterest, and there are various other websites you can promote your affiliate link, you can share your affiliate link, but these are the not the method of sustainable affiliate marketing business. Of course you can sell products through these methods. Pinterest is a huge platform, you can create pin and there you can promote your affiliate products, but these are not the long-term method. If you want to start affiliate marketing and you want to generate the passive income, so on that case you have to go in a long-term sustainable business method. So that is the what is that is you need to create your own blog. The first one is you need to create your own blog. If you are really serious to start affiliate marketing, I will suggest you to go with the WordPress blog. For that you need one hosting and one domain. You have to invest some money. For beginners I will suggest to go with Hostinger. Hostinger is a very good hosting platform and that is absolutely cheap, and I will give the link in the description. That is my affiliate link, and there I will also give a promo code for additional discount. If you put this promo code you will get some additional discount for purchasing the Hostinger hosting. And next come to the point that how you will start the affiliate marketing through your blog. You need to join various affiliate marketing program. Like there are various affiliate networks like CJ Networks, ShareSale, ClickBank, Impact Radius, Partner Stack, and there are various other affiliate networks are there. You have to join on these affiliate networks, but some affiliate networks will not allow you to join there, but you have to join most of the affiliate programs, and where they are allowing for the beginners you have to join there. And there are various other individual affiliate programs are there, like Bluehost. Bluehost is a hosting platform. Hostinger, like I am telling like that, to promoting my affiliate link, to providing the link in the description, like that you can join inside the Hostinger. There are other affiliate like Sendinblue. You need to join individual affiliate programs and you have to promote those affiliate program through your blog. So how can you start promoting the affiliate programs through your blog? The first of all you have to write the proper review of the product. So you have to go on in-depth review. Like for example Sendinblue. Sendinblue is basically an email marketing software. You have to write the proper description of this, that what are the features. First of all, what are the positive sides, negative sides, and how easy it is to run email marketing through this software. You have to go through all the aspects, and also you have to mention the price details and everything, and you need to provide your affiliate link as a call to action button inside your blog. You can provide your affiliate link in the various times, like you can put it is 5 times or 6 times. You can put your affiliate link inside the blog. People will come to your blog and they will read your article, then they will click on your affiliate link and they will definitely purchase. Some affiliate programs are there, some individual programs are there where they are provide free trials. So you can join those affiliate programs, and people will come to your blog and they will take the free trial first, and later on they will go for the upgrade. That is also a good method for start affiliate marketing. So there are endless products are there in the market. You can join any of the product for affiliate marketing and you start promoting through your blog. And if you want to promote the software products, that is, for that you have the manchai.com is a website where you will get all the future launches of the software products. This is for basically for the software products, and there you will find various products of the future launch. That means coming 7 days, on coming 10 days, what are the software products is launching, you can see from there, the manchai.com, and you have to visit on that particular site, and from there you have to join on those affiliate programs. So on that particular platform you will be redirected to the Warrior Plus and JVZoo network, that is also the affiliate networks, and you will be redirected to those networks, and there you will need to create your own account, and you will get the affiliate link from the vendor. Some of the vendors will not provide you affiliate link because you are very new in the affiliate marketing business, but whenever you will get some commission, some conversions you will get, everybody will give you the approval to promote their affiliate products. But in the beginning, get approval, try to get approval for most of the products. Like if you apply for 10 products, definitely you will get approval for 5 affiliate products. That is not an issue. But there are some individual affiliate programs are there. They are premium affiliate programs. They will not give you an approval because of that if you are new in affiliate marketing. They will ask for a good website or a good YouTube channel. They will ask for. So you need to build your website, and you need to create your articles, and you need to bring some traffic inside your website. Then you will get the most of the affiliate programs approval you will get easily. So this is the first method to start affiliate marketing for a long-term affiliate marketing business. The first one is creating your own blog. This is the one method. And the next one is, and if you don't know that from where you will join that affiliate programs, just go to the Google and just search that what are the best affiliate programs of 2021 or 2022. They will give, there you will find lots of unlimited affiliate programs. You will find at least 200-300 affiliate programs you will find. You can try to join all the affiliate programs one by one, and you can start writing the articles. And if you want only the software products, you need to visit the manchai.com, and from there you will be redirected to Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Pay Kickstart, this kind of affiliate networks. There you will find lot of products. The next method is YouTube. You have to create your own review YouTube channel, and there you have to do the same thing, that you need to review the product through your videos. The first method was that you have to write your own blog, and the second method is YouTube. The same thing you will do in the video format. You have to write on first cases, you have to write the total affiliate reviews on inside your blog, and here you have to create the complete review of the product through videos. And so how you can do that? There is also the same thing. You need to visit the complete sales page of that particular affiliate program, and you need to know what are the pros, cons, features, details, and you have to create videos with all such details. And on the software products, various software products inside the manchai.com, you will get the review access. Vendors will give you the review access. Review access is nothing but that you will get access to the members area without purchasing the product. You will get access inside the product members area, and you will go inside that members area, and there you will discuss that how the product works. Basically you will give them a live demo, and This is very powerful affiliate marketing system, that you will give them the live demo of that particular product, and you will give the affiliate link in the description, and from there people will see your videos, and they will click on your affiliate link and they will purchase the product. There is a second method, but here you need to mention that I want to mention one thing, that if possible give some bonuses, extra bonuses, because on the same product lot of people are promoting the same product, so you have to give some extra bonuses for the people. Why it is? Because lot of people are promoting the same product. Why should people purchase from your affiliate link? You need to provide some extra bonuses. From where you will get the bonus? There are a lot of websites from where you can get the bonuses, like IDPLR is a website. There you will find lot of ebooks. You can provide some cheat sheet, you can provide some video courses. You need to collect these kind of giveaways, and you need to list out these giveaways inside your website or inside a separate page. There you will show them that these are the bonuses you will provide them whenever they will purchase the product from your affiliate link. This is the second method, is YouTube. So first method is creating your own blog, and the second method is creating the review YouTube channel. This is the second method. And method is email marketing. You can start affiliate marketing through email marketing. You have to collect the email address of the people, and they will give their email address. You need to send. How you can create the thing is how you can get the email address of the people. For that you need to create a landing page that is called the lead magnet, and people will give their email in exchange of something valuable. You need to provide something valuable, like you need to can give some ebook and some video courses, cheat sheet. You can give them, and people will give their email address instead of them. You have to create a landing page. There you will create a form, and there they can input their email address and name, and they will be redirected to some other pages, and there they will find that ebook or whatever the things you are giving away. So this is the method to collect the email addresses for starting email marketing. You can send them the email sequences to promote your product, and you can also give some values through emails. So this is the method of email marketing. First you need to collect emails through your website of any lead magnet, or through the YouTube channel also you can collect the emails. You can give in the description you can give that lead magnet link you can provide, and people will come there and input their email address. Email address building an email list will take time. It is not a one-day game. This will take time, and email marketing is a powerful affiliate marketing program. So start creating email lists right from today, and whenever you will build a good amount of email lists, you can start email marketing easily. So the next I will talk about the paid affiliate marketing programs. Paid affiliate marketing programs, there are various ways you can promote products through paid marketing. Like you can promote products through Google search ads. This is a powerful method of affiliate marketing. Google search ad. You need to create a landing page, and you need to run the Google advertisements, and people will come, people will click. That is basically PPC advertisements, pay per click advertisements. For impressions you don't need to give money. You have to give money when people will click on your link, and people will be come to your landing page, and inside your landing page there will be a complete review of your product. A simple landing page will be there, and inside there will be call to action button, and inside that call to action button your affiliate link will be there. So this is the method for search ad for the Google advertisement, and there are YouTube ads also there. You can promote videos, and you can run skippable ads, in feed ads. There are various advertisements inside the YouTube. And the next method is I want to mention, that is solo ads. Solo ad is also a very good advertisement. Solo ad is nothing but whenever you are beginner and you don't have any email list, you can still send your offer to the email list by purchasing the email list. Udemy is a very much popular website. There you will find the people are selling their email list. That means you can send some offer through their email list, you can send your offer. This is also a very good method for promoting the product. So everything I cannot cover in a single video. So these are the methods of promoting affiliate, overall method of promoting affiliate marketing. But in the coming videos I will discuss in detail that how you can start by creating a blog, how you can create a blog, how you can write the complete review of a product, that I will discuss in my next video. And then I will discuss that how you can create a YouTube channel and how you can create the complete video, that a high converting video, how you can create. The next is how to run the Google search ads, YouTube ads, Bing ads, solo ads. These are the things I will discuss in the next videos. So that's all about today about the affiliate marketing. And if you really like this video, definitely hit the like button and also subscribe my YouTube channel, because whenever I publish a new video, you'll be get notified instantly. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.